A lot of my students get terrified whenever they hear the word subjuntive. And well, I get it. It is a very complicated mood to learn in Spanish, mainly because it has so many uses and conjugations. Hello everybody, grab a seat and get comfortable as today we will dive into the subjunctive mood. We're gonna learn when to use the subjunctive mood. Te recomiendo que saques tu libreta y tomes notas, but first, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of our updates. Yo soy Lorena. Are you ready? Empecemos. Okay, so today we're going to learn all about subjunctive. We're going to learn when to use it, okay? So remember that in Spanish we have three moods, okay? When talking about conjugations, we have three moods. We have indicative, imperative, and subjunctive. Indicative is the default mood, okay? We use it when we want to express reality or we want to express facts. Imperative is the mood that we're going to use when we want to give orders or commands. Subjunctive is the one we will use when talking about our unperception or unreality. The Spanish subjunctive is used in simple sentences as well as in subordinated clauses after specific expressions, okay? Let's start learning the subjunctive in simple sentences. We use the Spanish subjunctive in simple sentences after specific words, okay? These specific words are ojalá, quizá or quizás, and ni que. Let's see some examples. Ojalá llueva mañana. Ojalá llueva mañana. Quizá tengas razón. Quizá tengas razón. Now let's learn about the subjunctive in subordinate clauses, okay? So we use it after conjunctions. The conjunction that we're going to use is the conjunction que, okay? This is a little bit tricky, so I want you to pay attention, okay? Since it is a subordinate clause, we need two verbs, okay? One in the main clause and the second verb in the subordinate clause, okay? So the verb in the main clause, the first verb, indicates the perspective or the attitude of the speaker. It can be uncertainty, probability, desire, obligation, emotion, okay? That normally goes in indicative. And then the second verb goes in subjunctive, the second verb, the subordinate one. So, listen. Dudo que pueda aprenderlo todo en una sesión. Dudo que pueda aprenderlo todo en una sesión. Puede que necesite practicar en casa. Puede que necesite practicar en casa. Me encantaría que todo el mundo hablara varios idiomas. Me encantaría que todo el mundo hablara varios idiomas. Es necesario que repases la lección en casa. Es necesario que repases la lección en casa. Me alegra que aprendamos curiosidades culturales en la clase de español. Me alegra que aprendamos curiosidades culturales en la clase de español. So as you can see, the first verb, dudo, me alegra, me encantaría, are all the perspective of the speaker and are in indicative. Then we have the conjunction que, right? And then the next verb that talks about different things is the subordinate clause that goes in subjunctive. The main sentence can also express the speaker's will to influence someone. Okay, this is done with so-called verbs of influence. For example, aconsejar, desear, mandar, necesitar, obligar, ordenar, suplicar, recomendar, querer, and prohibir. And all these verbs will be followed by the conjunction que. Let's see some examples. El profesor nos ha recomendado que veamos películas en español. Okay, so let's take a minute to do our daily practice. Let's do it together. Hello guys, this is a quick reminder that our favorite language learning app has changed its name. Now you can find it as Learn. So go right now to your App Store or Play Store, type Learn, and you're gonna find it right away, okay? So remember, Learn. Now download it and you can start learning multiple languages. You can learn Spanish, French, even German. So what are you waiting? Download Learn right now.
Let's quickly brush up on what we have covered so far.
Okay, translate this to Spanish. A beer with eyes.
Cerveza. Con. Una cerveza con hielo.
Oh, that's not a thing I would like to try. Okay, translate to English. Una limonada sin azúcar. Perfect. Okay, here we need to match the following. So we have a limonada,
Limonada.
chicken,
Pollo.
ketchup,
Ketchup.
and salt.
Sal.
Perfect. Okay, so let's translate this sentence. I eat a sandwich with ketchup.
Yo. Yo como un sándwich con ketchup.
Perfect. Now we need to identify the image here, and we have a glass of water with ice.
Agua con hielo.
Excellent. Okay, now translate this sentence, guys. I eat an ice cream without sugar.
Como. Un. Yo como un helado sin azúcar.
Perfect. Now translate this one. Where is the bathroom?
¿Dónde está el baño?
Let's see, a lemonade without salt and sugar.
Una. Limonada. Sin. Sal. Y. Una limonada sin sal y azúcar.
Okay, this one is tricky. We will never say that, but okay. Okay, soda with sugar.
Soda con azúcar. Soda con sal. Soda con azúcar.
Sin azúcar means without salt. True or false? False. Very good. Now translate this. Soda without salt.
Soda sin sal.
Okay, soda sin sal. Perfect. Very good. In a compound sentence, if the verb have different subjects, the subordinate clause conjugates the verbs in the subjunctive, and it's introduced by a conjunction that functions as a nexus. Okay? Let's see. Quiero que vengas al cine conmigo. Quiero que vengas al cine conmigo. So we have the verb quiero, I, que, conjunction, vengas, subjunctive, because I'm talking about you. I want you to come to the movies with me. Okay? So let's see. If the subject was the same for both verbs, then the subordinate clause will be expressed in infinitive, right? I would say, quiero ir al cine contigo. I want to go to the movies with you. Okay? So, if you have two subjects, the second one would be subjunctive. Quiero que vengas al cine conmigo. Some conjunctions are always followed by the subjunctive, okay? While others admit both subjunctive or indicative, depending the sense of the sentence. But let's see ones that will always get subjunctive, okay? A condición de que. A condición de que. Te presto mi libro a condición de que me lo regreses. A fin o con el fin de que. Te presto este libro a fin de que tengas algo que leer este verano. A menos que. Iremos al cine a menos que tengas una mejor idea. Como si. Actuó como si no fuera asunto suyo. Con tal de que te presté mi bici con tal de que me la cuidaras. En caso de que. Llámame en caso de que necesites ayuda. Ni bien saldremos de excursión, ni bien amanezca. ¿Para qué? Anoche te llamé para que me contaras chismes. Por más o por mucho que. Por mucho que duerma, siempre estoy cansada. Salvo que el viernes iremos al cine, salvo que quieras quedarte en casa. Siempre que. Podrás venir al viaje siempre que pagues tu parte. Siempre y cuando. Iremos al parque siempre y cuando no llueva. Sin que. Diana me felicitó sin que yo le dijera nada. Well guys, now you know when to use the subjunctive mood. It wasn't that difficult, right? You just need to save this video for future references. And stay tuned since I'm going to teach you how to conjugate the subjunctive mood. It's going to be super easy. Okay guys, well, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. You can also leave your comments. I will love to read you. Yo soy Lorena and I'll see you in the next video. Adiós!